Hey, I told y'all I was gonna finish that verse for y'all. That Nicki Minaj Chiraq beat. Here we go, part 2. Yo. These fuck niggas can't tolerate this shit that I be saying. I done came up and told the game up, be lames up, I ain't playing. Let me demonstrate it's okay to hate you a little late, you delaying. I'm caked up with my makeup, call me the baker's man. I'm known to pluck them trade boys at the drop of a dime. My clock stop, no TikTok, I ain't got the time. My fair dish is a red bitch, she lemon, no lime. Make her go back to back, better yet, I'm at the front of the line. I pulled up just to pop off, I don't ride around, let the top off. It's a few of us, we all shoot us, and you fuck around and get dropped off. My niggas, gorillas, we bang bitches in the jungle. My hair care is very rare, paid a couple $100 for my bundles. I don't box, but if you don't stop, you gon' fuck around and get rumbled. Now watch your mouth raised in the south, you get waxed out for them mumbles. These little niggas can't deal with them, got real niggas on my team. What I said, I meant it, no coincidence, spent the whole rent on my ring. I'm better than most, so I brag and boast, ain't studying them hoes, yeah I'm mean. Dick a coochie, no time for losing, my life a movie that scene. You can hardly miss me, I'm the hardest sissy, tell them other niggas I've arrived. Rest in peace to Chris and T, cause MOE on the rise. I'm bossed up, you get tossed up, run a cost up to the sky. On the weekend screaming fuck friends, got 3 men by my side. Fuck how you feel, Lord grab the wheel, cause you know I'm down to ride.